Determine whether each of the following sequences is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. A sequence is a list of numbers separated by commas. As an example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Each number within a sequence is called a term. The terms generally relate to each other by some sort of rule, depending on the type of the sequence. The terms are labeled Tn, where n corresponds to the term number. As an example, T8 corresponds to the 8th term. Tn is often called the general term. The first term of a sequence, T1, is often denoted as A. For an arithmetic sequence, each term is obtained by adding the same number to the previous term. This number is called the common difference, D, because it is obtained from subtraction of consecutive terms. If subtraction of consecutive terms always results in the same number, then the sequence is arithmetic. For a geometric sequence, each term is obtained by multiplying the same number to the previous term. This number is called the common ratio, R, because it is obtained from division of consecutive terms. If, for a sequence, division of consecutive terms always results in the same number, then it is a geometric sequence. Let's look at the 5 sequences given in this question. First of all, A. 17, 25, 33, 41, and so on. If we subtract consecutive terms, first of all, 25 minus 17 equals 8. 33 minus 25 equals 8. We could also subtract 41 minus 33. We would also get 8. Since subtraction of consecutive terms gives a constant, this is an arithmetic sequence. For question B, in this case, we divide consecutive numbers. 12 divided by 3 gives 4. 48 divided by 12 is also equal to 4. We could divide 196 by 48. We would also get 4. Since division of consecutive terms results in a constant, this is a geometric sequence. For question C, we can subtract consecutive numbers. First of all, 4 minus 2, the second term minus the first term. This results in 2. Subtracting the third term minus the second term, 7 minus 4, gives 3. We can also try dividing consecutive terms. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 7 divided by 4 equals 1.75. In this case, subtracting or dividing consecutive terms does not result in a constant. In this case, this is neither arithmetic nor geometric. For D, in this case, we can divide consecutive terms. The second term divided by the first term, negative 9 divided by 45 equals negative 0.2. Similarly, the third term divided by the second term, 1.8 divided by negative 9, also equals negative 0.2. We could also divide the fourth term by the third term. We would again end up with negative 0.2. This sequence, therefore, is geometric. Finally, for question E, in this case, if we subtract consecutive terms, 5 minus 8, the second term minus the first term, we get negative 3. The third term minus the second term, 2 minus 5, is also negative 3. And if we subtract the fourth term minus the third term, we would also get negative 3. This sequence is therefore arithmetic.